Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the music app and confirming the account you're using. This matters because deletion behavior ties to your Apple ID. Once done, go straight to Library and find the album or song. Make sure you know whether you want to remove only local downloads or delete items from your library for all devices. You're acting now. Tap the three dots or right-click a track to reveal options. This first action opens the path to either remove download or delete from library. Now decide and execute the correct option. If you need storage, choose Remove Download. The track stays in your library but is off your device. If you want it gone everywhere, pick Delete from Library. This removes the entry for all devices on your account and can't be undone easily. On iPhone, confirm when prompted. On Mac, Control-click or use the song menu, then confirm. Make sure to check playlists too, because deleting a song removes it from any playlist where it appears. Finish by checking another device or iCloud music library to confirm the deletion propagated. That verifies success. If the song reappears, make sure library sync settings are consistent. Toggle sync library off then on, or sign out of Apple ID and sign back in. This forces a refresh. If you accidentally removed purchased music, you can re-download via purchased in your account. One troubleshooting tip: if deletions fail, reboot the device and retry. Network hiccups often block propagation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.